Hello friends. I hope you are doing well. Today I'll share with you the other part of insomnia home remedy. In first part, I've explained about poppy seeds milk. In second part I've explained how to relax by applying cow's ghee. Today I'll explain about how oiling will help you to get deep relaxation. Because of water dosha you may feel your feet cold, dry, rough and hard. Massaging the feet before bed help you to get rid of all these qualities. And allowing you to fall asleep sooner, get long and better quality sleep. Gives you a mental and physical benefits with good relaxation. Do you know that there are more than 7,000 nerve endings on each foot? Same theory applies when massaging the scalp. Oiling and massaging the feet and scalp for 5 to 10 minutes each night before bed doesn't have to be a big deal. If you have more time for yourself, you can massage 15 to 20 minutes. 1. Foot massage known as reflexology. When you give each foot a good massage, you're also massaging the organs associated with each of the pressure points. The pressure points in your feet are energetically connected to your organs by energy channels in the body known as nadis. When you give proper pressure to a specific area of the foot, the energy travels through that channel to the particular organ to help clear energy blocks. So it reduces the vata dosha in body. It can help to reduce stress and anxiety, release of muscle tension, improve blood circulation, and can give better deep sleep. Of course, it will make your feet soft and give relief in foot pain. After massaging your feet, make sure to put on socks before moving, so you don't slip. For massage you can take any oil you have like coconut oil or sesame oil or almond oil or mustard oil or pure cow's ghee if you like it. But make sure oil must be slightly warm. 2. Scalp oiling or massage. Stress is a major problem nowadays. Stress can create complications such as insomnia. Head massage can help lower it. It can improve blood circulation, which leads to a calm and relaxed mind. A scalp massage increases the production of serotonin, a chemical that regulates mood. Scalp massaging also helps improve energy levels, lower the pain, and improve overall physical and mental health. A good head massage increases blood flow to the scalp, easing tension that helps one relax. So, it allowing one to get a healthy amount of sleep. For head massage you can take any oil you have like coconut oil or sesame oil or almond oil or mustard oil, but make sure oil must be slightly warm. 3. Nasya. Nidra is the yogic word for sleep or deep relaxation. Nasya is very effective and easy process. Take 1 or 2 drops of any oil or pure cow's ghee like above, and inhale 1 or 2 drops of oil in each nostrils. It will create calm mind and relaxed state, easing one into sleep. Sleep nasya acts directly on the mind and nervous system, making it a great method for chronic or acute battles with insomnia. For an overactive mind and restless sleep, nasya is gentle enough for daily use without creating dependency or causing unwanted side effects of any medication. 4. Massage navel. Massage the temples and the navel with ghee has a lot of benefits in Ayurveda. According to Ayurveda, ghee is one of the best substances to massage, as it helps to calm and cool the body. The cooling properties of the ghee increase pitta and balance vata when used to massage the body. If you don't like cow's pure ghee, then you can use any oil as explained before in this video. 5. Pranayama and meditation. Practice breathing exercises like Anulom Vilom Pranayama, Udgit Pranayama, and Brahmari Pranayama. Do it before going to bed every night assists reducing the water and balances the left and right hemispheres of the brain. And concentrating on your breathing helps in meditation and calming the brain, which makes you sleep like a baby. Oiling is a wonderful health ritual in Ayurveda. Recommends for sound, quality sleep. The practice of oiling the soles of your feet, the top of your head, the navel and temple with warm sesame oil or any oil, doing so not only promotes healthy sleep, but it also helps counteract the aging process. Try these remedies and share your results in comment section. I'll be happy to hear from you. Thank you for liking, sharing and subscribing my channel. Apply these remedies and sleep well. See you in next video.